Hi, I'm Lisa Curley Malice, your time strategy visionary. Have you ever thought about what time of day you work best? Or do you just look at a to-do list and start knocking them off based on what comes first on the list or what you deem is the most important? Or close your eyes and pick one, or whatever your prioritizing strategy may be. I'd like for you to look at this a little differently now. Determine what part of the day are you most productive when it comes to thinking tasks. Which part of the day are you most productive when it comes to doing tasks? When are you feeling a little lethargic that you could slot in some work that doesn't seem quite as taxing? Once you start to know where your energy preferences are, then you can start to schedule in your tasks based on those energy preferences. So for me, I tend to write and think better first thing in the morning. However, I find that I do better working with clients mid-morning. Something about typing versus speaking for me, I need a couple hours to warm up in order to be able to speak. Knowing that allows me to schedule my day accordingly. Can you only imagine, if I'm stumbling over my words, what that would be like to have a client conversation at 7 in the morning? So I encourage you to figure out, when are you most productive? And then start to plan to maximize your potential. Every day can be productive, rewarding, and fun. Would you like some assistance in creating that reality for yourself? Please leave a comment below.